Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M53 and I'll show you the normal face unlock and faster face recognition tasks. So I'll do this with the help of the stopwatch, and now I'll make the 5 first tries to unlock the device with the normal face unlock, and after that I'll activate the faster recognition feature, and I'll make the second 5 tries to unlock the device, and then we'll see the difference on the time between these two unlock methods. So now I'll just turn off the faster recognition feature because it's turned on right now. So it's turned off as you can see, and let's start just to test the normal face unlock. So let's start. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 and 8. So that's really good result for normal face recognition. So don't forget these values, 6 and 8. So let's reset it, and now we'll activate the faster face recognition. So it's activated now, and let's start. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 and 8. So we have the difference in 1 second. So the normal face unlock was the 6 and 8, 681, I think, yeah. And here 589. So this is the good result for the normal face unlock and for the faster recognition. So as we can see, the faster recognition works a little bit faster than regular. So I suggest you to try this unlock methods. For example, if you don't like the passcodes, pin codes, you can use the face unlock method on your Samsung Galaxy device, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than pin codes or passcodes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.